Today, Mommy and
Ava
are reading Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm by
Ned Young.
And he actually illustrated the book too. So it's not only the author, he is the illustrator.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, there's a fish already. I saw it. Oh gosh.
Hey, Mom!
Yelled Zoomer.
It's really hot outside. Can I have a snow cone?
And one condition, said Mom.
I know.
Said Zoomer.
That I clean up the kitchen when I'm done.
And look what this fish is reading.
Moby Dick.
A story about a whale.
Oh.
Zoomer switched on the snow cone machine and looked through the cupboards.
Let's see.
He thought.
What flavor do I want?
After making his choice, he turned around and saw his snow cone was now about 3 feet deep.
Uh-oh.
Thought Zoomer.
I better get them up.
Yes, sir, you'd better, because Mom said you got to clean that kitchen.
Oh, he doesn't have no snow cone.
But after thinking about it, Zoomer decided to put on his hat and mittens and open the kitchen window instead. As usual, the twins had something to say to their little brother.
Hey, what's with the hat and mittens?
Asked Hooper.
Yeah,
Said Cooper.
it's like 100 degrees out here. Not for long.
Replied Zoomer.
Oh.
The hot summer weather suddenly turned icy cold as winter came pouring into the backyard.
Telling you.
Said Hooper, shivering.
Why?
Said Zoomer.
I already asked Mom for permission to turn summer into winter.
Cooper said, his teeth chattering.
Ooh. How are we supposed to practice for our baseball game with this in the way?
Complained Hooper.
I guess we'll just have to play around it.
Cooper said with a huff.
Mm.
While Hooper and Cooper griped about the freezing weather, Zoomer got right to work, taking advantage of the first snowstorm of the season. So he's making it a big snowball.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no, now he's carving it.
Wow.
After Zoomer had finished his snow sculpture, he decided it needed some company.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness, Zoomer.
What happened to the snow? It's always
Here's Moby Dick in the house, too.
Oh, wow.
So he built his very own wildlife sanctuary filled with animals and creatures from near, far, yesterday, and beyond. Zoomer's very talented.
He built the last book we read about him. He built like stuff out of his fruit.
That's a lot that you built, Zoomer, out of just that little bit of shaved ice. Later, Zoomer took a hot chocolate break in the polar empire of Zoomartica and gave his brothers a friendly little wave.
Don't look.
Whispered Hooper.
You'll only encourage him. You have to admit, though,
Whispered Cooper.
that is pretty cool.
I would have to admit that too. That's pretty cool.
Oh, look at that. What?
Oh my gosh, now he built an ice train,
That's not possible. Toot toot!
shouted Zoomer.
Hey!
Said Hooper.
Can't you see we're trying to practice here?
But when Zoomer began building,
Did they begin moving?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. An amusement park. Their mittens went on faster than a happy puppy's wagging tail.
Wow.
He even built an amusement park.
That's awesome.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
When Zoomer's tummy grumbled that it was close to dinner time, he scampered to the kitchen and cleaned up all the snow. As Zoomer finished, Mom and Dad came in. Zoomy, said Mom, you look hungry. What would you like for dinner? yipped Zoomer. Chilly, exclaimed Mom.
Yeah,
Said Zoomer.
on a really, really cold day like today, a big hot steaming bowl of chili would hit the spot.
Dear, said Dad nervously, did Zoomer just say on a cold day like today?
Ooh.
Well, okay then, said Mom. Chilly it is.
Wow.
And look, he even built himself and a dragon and a butterfly. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at them all. The end. And thank you to everyone who stayed to hear the reading of Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm.